Hi. When you and your team save emails to eWay-CRM, you build a complete history of customer communication. No more scattered inboxes, everything is in one place. And here's the real advantage. eWay-CRM can help you spot frustrated customers before it's too late. We all know unhappy clients can hurt your business. The good news? eWay-CRM contains an AI that detects the tone of your emails so you'll know when a conversation isn't going well. This, of course, requires your team to save emails to eWay-CRM. To learn more about automatic and manual email saving, check out our other videos. Now let's look at how to spot frustrated customers. Open your emails in eWay-CRM. Right-click on the header of the column Sent On, and choose Group by this column. Notice that your emails get grouped by days of the week. Additionally, you can right-click here and set the group interval to Smart. This changes the view to a more user-like look. If you expand a day, you'll see little emojis next to each email. These reveal the tone: happy, neutral, or not so happy. Look at this one. Whew, what's going on? The customer is frustrated with the campaign, and if we don't fix these issues, we might lose them to a competitor. To further split the data by individual email owners, you can add a new column named Owner. And include it in the grouping. Now you can focus on those who need it most. If your entire team saves emails in eWay-CRM, this feature allows you to instantly see when conversations turn unpleasant. That gives you the chance to step in and resolve issues before they escalate, or enjoy reading positive feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, stay proactive with eWay-CRM.